Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat has been taking a hit, just like a lot of the rest of the market. So, I'm way down in my shares that I own. I only have 300 shares, but I bought them way up at 135. Cost basis is about 123, 121. I don't know, I have to go look at the numbers, but it's around there. Still not good. It's at 65 bucks, 64 bucks. I have two options expiring on Friday. It is now Wednesday. We're going to try to roll these out. First one I want to try to roll is the 72 because it's far, far out of the money and we still have a few days left. Ooh, $1. That's pretty good. $1 a week. That's not bad. I'll take that. Let's go out to the monthly though. Get better pricing. All right. Oh, we don't have pricing on the monthly for 72. So if we go out to 3 weeks, get $2. That's pretty good. All right, if I can get $2, I will take that. All right, I'm going to go to 10. All right, see if we can get that. All right, guys, it looks like I filled it 208. All right, there's the position. I just rolled it out for $200. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. Now, the 65 put I could sit on. It might expire worthless, or it's hard to say. So I'm just going to wait on that one. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on Beyond Meat. Thanks for watching.